So it's 7 a.m. on 6th of July. I am off to a new gym, Sparta to be specific, because my regular gym is closed today. हर महीने की कहानी है. हर महीने फर्स्ट थर्सडे ये जो जिम है जहाँ पर मैं रेगुलरली जाता हूँ, it's closed for maintenance. So yesterday I had called up guys at Sparta. I have been wanting to try their gym because again if I find a better gym than this I will be happy to switch. तो जा रहा हूँ Sparta, थोड़ा सा दूर है. My usual gym is very close to my place. The gym that I am going to today, I will have to drive a bit, but again I am more concerned about the quality of equipment, the size and the kind of people that work out there. That's what matters to me. And the locker room, yes. So locker room plays a very important role in my decision making, because when it comes to workout, more or less, as long as the equipment is standard and not broken or not cheap, it's good, which is the case for most of the gyms in Dwarka. But what I need is a spacious locker room, a lot of lockers, a large steam room and a functional steam room, more importantly. That's what I want, and in that sense I am very satisfied with my gym, and that is what I look for in a new gym as well. So let's hope that Sparta meets the expectations, at least the minimum expectations. We are the sultans of swing. I think I'm almost there. You can see the Radisson Blue Hotel, Dwarka on the left. The gym is supposed to be somewhere nearby. The guy told me it's near gate number 3. I can see the sign, and you will see as well as soon as I turn. So, yes. So if you see on the left, you see Sparta Gym, and I will just have to figure out. सर जी गाड़ी कहाँ आगे लगा दूँ, कहीं भी लगा दूँ ना, ठीक है. So parking space does not seem to be a problem, but there are already a lot of cars and we're actually parking randomly on the road. So that's the thing. So I have reached the gym. I'll just go in and have a quick workout. I have not asked for the permission to make a video, to make a review, so I will most likely not be recording myself, because the last time I did that, and you can see that video here, it turned out to be very shaky, very spy-like video, and it does not make sense. It's just a gym. If I ask them, they will let me know. Today I don't have anyone with me to help me record, and more importantly, today I am primarily focused on the workout. So I will give a review post the workout, but that won't have much visuals. You'll have to basically live with what I say. So I'll see you after the workout. So just got done with the workout, and a rather good workout, I must say. Uninterrupted, because the gym was not very crowded, and more importantly complete. सारा equipment इस तरीके से था कि whatever exercises I have to do, the essentials, I could easily do them, and there were a lot of new equipment. Some things, some pieces of equipment were even new to me, which is a good thing always. So as I mentioned earlier, I did not take any photos or record any videos inside the gym except for this one selfie, because एक तो बनती है. So let's just quickly jump to the review. First the cons. So one thing that I really loved about this gym, or मतलब I cannot emphasize more, कि लोग बहुत तमीज से वर्कआउट करते हैं यहाँ पर. इट कुड बी दैट the people are mannered, or it could be that the gym has enforced this law, but there are no cluttered weights at all in the gym. तो सिंपल सी बात है, जिसने डंबल्स यूज कर रहे हैं वो वापस डंबल्स रैक पे रख कर आता है, जिसने प्लेट्स यूज कर रही हैं वो वापस प्लेट्स को या तो प्लेट ट्री कहते हैं उनको वहां लगाता है, या फिर बार पर छोड़ देते हैं. ठीक है, जमीन पर कोई वेट्स नहीं पड़े हुए हैं. दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम विच आई हैव सीन इन एवरी जिम, नो मैटर हाउ एक्सपेंसिव द जिम इज, नो मैटर हाउ educated or high class the gentry is. As a matter of fact, it is more prevalent in the more expensive gyms because the people there feel that they fucking own the gym. तो वो उठा के डंबल्स जहाँ यूज किया वहीं छोड़ दिया, प्लेटें वहीं उतारी फेंक दी. ठीक है, the gym was so neat. ठीक है. Secondly, it has a lot of equipment. They are supposedly the largest by area gym in Dwarka, and they have utilized this space very well. Almost everything. So as a matter of fact, I don't think I can think of any piece of equipment that should be there and is not there. As a matter of fact, weight training, benches, TRX के setups, 2-3 cross cable, तो मतलब sufficient amount of equipment है वहाँ पर. So third thing, the locker room. As I mentioned before the workout also, it's a very important factor, and the locker room is really nice. Again, it's not as big as the one that I am currently used to, but I think it's more like कि जो मेरे current gym का locker room है वो ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा बड़ा है, या actually उतना बड़ा किसी का होता नहीं है. यहाँ का locker room जितने मैंने gyms अभी तक देखे हैं, other than my existing gym, my current gym, काफ़ी बड़ा है, काफ़ी clean है. As a matter of fact, it gives off a 5-star vibe. I don't know why it has become a trend, but it's a good thing. मेरे को क्या करना है, साफ है, टाइल्ड है, अंदर लाइटिंग बहुत अच्छी है. ठीक है, टॉवल्स ये लोग सप्लाई करते हैं, विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग. अ लॉट ऑफ जिम्स डू नॉट सप्लाई यू टॉवल्स, यू हैव टू गेट योर ओन टॉवल, एंड दैट्स काइंड ऑफ अ हैसल. फोर्थ, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कार्डियो इक्विपमेंट. आई कुड सी एट लीस्ट 8 or 9 treadmills. There were a few cycles, I'm calling them cycles, 2 rowing machines and 1 stairmaster. Again, stairmaster अब काफ़ी famous हो गया है, तो अच्छी बात है. तो these were the pros. As for the cons, okay, cons में, so this is a personal con for me. This place is a little far from my place, so आज सुबह आते हुए जितनी भी रेड लाइट्स थी वो मुझे सारी रेड मिली थी. ठीक है, इट कुड बी माई लक और इट कुड बी अ नॉर्म, बट टाइम इज अ मेजर फैक्टर. मेरा करेंट जिम काफ़ी पास है मेरे, इट्स लिटरली वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस. तो अगेन दिस इज अ कॉन ओनली फॉर मी. सेकेंडली, द जिम इज एंटायरली इन द बेसमेंट, सो देर इज नो सनलाइट. I'm not sure it affects everyone, but I actually like sunlight. I like the way things are naturally lit, and it kinds of gives me a boost during a workout. Again, it could be a no problem for a lot of people. Again, पूरे दिन हम लोग आर्टिफिशियल लाइट में बैठते हैं. मैं अभी ऑफिस जाऊंगा और ट्यूब लाइट में, CFL की लाइट में बैठा रहूँगा पूरे दिन. तो but again, if this is something which is important to you, then this is there. Third thing that I can think of is that they have their cafeteria. Again, सब कुछ एक ही फ्लोर पर है, सभी कुछ एक ही फ्लोर पर है. ठीक है, there is no demarcation or there are no boundaries. कैफेटेरिया वहीं पर है. तो अगर उन्होंने कुछ बनाया, so let's say someone makes an omelette, I believe that this smell of the omelette will waft through the entire gym floor. It could be a little disturbing. Again, मेरे जैसे को तो भूख लग जाएगी. If you are someone who does not eat egg, it could get uncomfortable. So that's that. So now come to think of it, जो 3 मैंने cons बताए हैं, there are not really big deal. So none of them is a deal breaker. So if you are someone who lives close to Sparta, if you are someone who is okay with working out in a gym which is entirely in the basement, and 3, if you are okay with some basically खाने की खुशबू के साथ वर्कआउट करना आपको अच्छा लगता है, तो इट इज गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर यू. एंड अगेन, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट द थर्ड फ्लोर. एट वन पॉइंट आई डिड स्मेल an omelette cooking. I could be wrong, I'll have to confirm. Other than that, it's a solid gym. Okay, I have asked for the prices. The prices are fairly competitive. It's a little expensive compared to my existing gym, but not that much के deal breaker बन जाए. Overall, Sparta has been added as a good option in my books. If ever I leave Gold for some reason, for whatever reason, it is going to definitely be in my list of gyms to join. So most likely sometime soon I will take you back to the gym. I'll take their permission to record and I'll show you the gym, I'll show you the equipment, the quality of the equipment, I'll show you the locker room and everything. I have been meaning to start a series wherein I first take permission of the gym to shoot there and review their gym, because that is something that I think a lot of people will benefit from. When you are looking for a new gym, there is very little information about the gym on the internet, and it's not possible for everyone to visit every gym and figure out what is what, and more importantly, if you are new to working out, it could be a daunting task. So आज का workout has been successful. I'm headed home, I'll take a bath and I'll leave for office. This is where I conclude this gym vlog, and I'll see you the next time.